Today on Girl Yuka, what excites you the most on the mountain bike trails? Jumps? Rocks? I like both, but wooden features excites me the most. They are getting more artistic and innovative. Today I want to show you creative woodworks in 4 different small towns in the middle of nowhere. Wooden features are exciting, both to see and to ride.
Oh, this is cool.
Even if they are only simple bridges.
No, it's just a bridge. But it's still cool.
Those bridges are just used to be a means of crossing the swampy sections. However, it isn't hard to imagine that people want to ride them whenever you find a fallen tree.
Oh god, that corner is the hardest part.
When it is narrower, the bridge is more challenging. And when it is higher, it's more intimidating. It mustn't have been too long before wooden bridges became more than just a matter of necessity.
Oh, look at that feature.
Oh, wow.
Just like one great work of art attracts a great number of people, one great woodwork allures many riders.
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah.
When my husband Eric found a picture of this wooden feature, we had to come and ride it. This trail was built by the local First Nations to entice mountain bike riders about 6 years ago. And they surely built one of the biggest wooden structures around.
That's good. Wanna do that wall ride?
Sure.
Normally, one great woodwork like this is enough bait for us to come and ride. But this trail didn't end here.
Oh, this is the road gap?
Yeah.
Look at this perfectly bent log. A wooden feature is becoming a beautiful piece of art.
It's hard to know how fast to go.
Yeah.
I kinda knew that Eric wasn't gonna do it because he thinks too much.
You wanna do it?
Okay.
Okay, she says.
Yes, it's sandy here. And I don't know if this trail is well built. So far so good, so maybe it is a trail speed. Just no pedal and just to roll. Maybe a couple pedal.
I was pretending to show more concern, but I wasn't really thinking that much.
I think that was too fast.
I have no idea.
Oh yeah. It's been a long time since I felt this pressure. It's good to be back in BC. Okay. Woo. That wasn't that bad. I sent it a little bit deep, huh?
Oh, it seemed good.
Yeah, that was really good.
Oh, yeah. It seems smooth. Very good. Maybe you have to tow me in now. How's your water bottle?
Now Eric was trying not to think too much,
It's a good water bottle?
showing a strong interest in my water bottle.
Ready?
Okay, yes.
Do his tactics work?
Yeah! Nice!
Oh, you did it!
Yeah, you didn't think I was gonna do it?
No! You want to do it yourself?
Sure. You didn't think I was gonna do it, huh?
No, honey, I'm sorry.
I think that's probably understandable, seeing my history.
Nice!
But once he's done it, there was no problem doing it again and again. Wooden features don't have to be too dangerous or too technical to have fun on.
Oh my god.
Just raise the net a few feet and make some corners will do the trick. A series of simple mid-sized drops are great ones to hone your dropping skills. But if you want to ride something unique, this is the place to go.
What the heck is this feature?
This is a brand new trail called Kraken. This trail has not only beautifully carved wooden features, but also a story.
Walk the plank, honey.
Yeah, walk the plank.
This is like what the pirates say.
Walk the plank?
Yeah, when you're in trouble,
Hmm.
you have to walk the plank and jump into the ocean. Do a great job, okay?
I tried to.
There were two adventurers in trouble, and they had to walk the plank. Yet, they both amazingly survived and started to looking for the Kraken's treasure.
Oh!
The ocean was massive, and there was a whale.
Look, they even cut it like a whale.
Yeah, I know. It's a real whale.
Yeah.
And sharks to defeat. From the poop deck, we could see the ghost ship, the Flying Dutchman, trying to cross us.
All right, the next section, honey.
That's the feature makes me nervous.
Yeah?
Look!
It's a step up.
And the casing is really harsh.
There were 4 gaps in one feature. The key was the rhythm. The pirates were said to be great musicians. To escape from the curse of the ghost ship, do not skip the beat, like I did.
You cased the whole thing.
It's a hole.
It was close, but we managed to defeat the Flying Dutchman. And finally, we get to see what the ghost ship was guarding. A treasure box.
What the heck is this feature? Treasure box, huh?
Oh yeah, it is a treasure box, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool.
But is it treasure inside?
The treasure is on the outside, honey.
Yeah.
You have to nose bonk it.
A nose bonk is when you jump, touch an obstacle with your front wheel, and bounce off. This is not the big feature, but definitely the most unique and technical feature I've ever come across.
I can do it. It's just going too fast.
You think so?
Yeah.
Neither Eric nor I want to nose bonk it. We just want to jump over it.
I did it.
Yeah, good job. How was it?
A little scary.
Because you can't see the landing?
Yeah, as I was going over the lip, I was like worried I was going to tap the wood.
You did the brake?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah.
If you don't brake, you're going to land on the bottom.
And that means if you want a nose bonk on this, and you have to even go slower.
Maybe. Or you're just pushing your tire down a bit.
Why they want to do that?
That's the trick, honey.
Oh, is that so?
Why do you want to take your hand off the bars? It's a trick.
It's stupid, yeah?
It's stupid, yeah? Why even ride in the first place?
Oh, it's fun.
Stupid, yeah?
I'm not sure whether this is stupid, but touching the treasure chest seems to be the way to conquer the feature.
I touched it!
You touched it.
Yeah, well. But that's the purpose of the treasure box, right?
The treasure chest, yeah.
Yeah.
You must tap it.
I tapped it. Not on purpose, but yeah. Plus it was real wheel. Oopsie.
Those were the creative woodworks we found in tiny towns of BC. Does your town have unique wooden features? If so, let me know in the comment. If not, it's time to start building one. We'd love to visit and try them all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Oh, it's spicy for sure.
Is it too spicy?
It's technical.